Right. Welcome back. We are the markets itself are in flat terrain, so let's shift focus to personal finance. Joining us now is Sumit Vaid of Freedom Financial Planners. Sumit, thanks much for joining us. Since the question here is, most employed professionals will be rushing now to submit their ATCC investments in the next few days. Our company is asking us, any advice on what not to do in the garb of tax planning?
Sure, very relevant question, Lata. It always happens every year, and somehow we don't learn it. And it's so striking that most of the time the last rush tax planning investments is so pathetic that while doing financial planning with a lot of families, we get to see many people end up just investing in insurances and some of the ATCC products to get tax advantage without even worrying about principal, which is completely a wrong way of doing things. Imagine, somebody is trying to, invest 1 lakh rupees to save 30% tax on the ATC, but he's not interested to understand what will happen to my 1 lakh, but he's more interested in saving the 30%. And as a result of which, many of the families end up buying new insurance policies every year, and it's last minute rush. So first thing which we like to advise is, when you do your tax planning, it should not be last minute. Though it's again getting last minute, but for them to really figure out next time onward that they should start right in the beginning. The second thing which they need to really do is that tax planning in itself is not a goal or objective. It is one of the features which your scheme should offer. It should fit into a bigger perspective or a financial need of the family. You have a goal for in today's era where the risks are increasing, families don't have adequate covers. Why? Because they end up investing in insurance, paying huge premium, getting very less sum assured. So I think insurance is important till the time it's term insurance and it's adequately covered. And there are other features like health insurance and a few of the other things. So first message will be, have a financial plan. Within that, have your goals. Within the goals, fit the instruments. Don't have a last minute rush just to get tax planning of 20%, 30% tax rebate.
All right, Sumit, there are people with questions as well. Thank you very much for joining us. Our viewers will be joining us in a minute after this break.
Welcome back. It's stable for our markets, but we're in the midst of a very interesting discussion on how to plan your tax, particularly for salaried employers. So first, before Lata and I ask our own questions, let's first go across to our caller. It's S.K. Agarwal, who calls us from Dhanbad with his question. Hi, Mr. Agarwal.
हेलो
Hello, can you tell us your question? बताएंगे?
मैं पूछ रहा था, मेरी एचयूएफ फाइल से टैक्स सेविंग कैसे होगा?
Okay.
Hello.
Hanji.
Okay. Sumit, how would you advise him?
Yep. I didn't get the question. Can you repeat it for me?
Mr. Agarwal, आप वापस आपका प्रश्न बताएंगे?
एचयूएफ की फाइल से हमारी टैक्स सेविंग का प्लान कैसे होगा?
HUF के जरिए टैक्स सेविंग कैसे करें? ये कह रहे हैं आप?
हाँ.
अच्छा. Yes, go ahead, Sumit.
Yeah, so HUF is one of a beautiful tax saving vehicle which is available to Hindu families under the law.
Maybe you can answer in Hindi, Sumit.
हाँ, श्योर. सो HUF एक बहुत अच्छा जरिया है आज के टाइम पे टैक्स प्लानिंग करने का हिंदू फैमिलीज के. आप टैक्स प्लानिंग करते हैं तो कई फैमिलीज हैं, जैसे मान लीजिए सुमित वैद और सुमित वैद HUF. तो सुमित वैद HUF के अंदर मेरी कुछ एक इनकम्स हो सकती हैं और एक्सपेंसेस हो सकते हैं. सो मेरी इनकम डिवाइड हो जाती है, इसलिए मेरे को जो स्टैंडर्ड डिडक्शन मिलता है इनकम के ऊपर टैक्स के लिए वो डिवाइड हो जाता है. उसका एक सहूलियत मिलता है मेरे को. साथ ही में मैं उसके अंदर एक्सपेंसेस क्रिएट करके एक अच्छी टैक्स सेविंग कर सकता हूँ इन सेपरेट हेड्स के अंदर. सो अगर मेरी धर्मपत्नी भी काम कर रही है तो एक उनके नाम की फाइल है, एक मेरे नाम की फाइल है और एक HUF की फाइल है. तो एक बहुत अच्छा जरिया है टैक्स प्लानिंग करने का HUF. ज्यादातर लोगों को करना चाहिए, बट बिकॉज लैक ऑफ अवेयरनेस है या थोड़ा बहुत पेपर वर्क है, लोग इसकी तरफ देखते नहीं है, स्पेशली हिंदू फैमिलीज.
All right, Mr. Agarwal, thank you very much for joining us with your question. And Sumit, thank you as well for taking us through this important question which all of us will face in the next few weeks. Let's take a break on that note. Up next, we are back to the equity market.